meron kasing isang medyo natatabunan, which is yung pag-i-imply na merong mga witness na umupo na merong kaso ng perjury. Pwede nyo bang linawin sa amin yan kung meron ba dun sa tatlong na iupo doon sa unang article na talagang meron ngayong pending na kaso at kung ano implikasyon nito dun sa ginaganap na impeachment trial?
Parang nasabi ko na ang strategy ganito, no? If you are weak on the facts, don't talk about the facts, argue on the law. If you are weak on the law and on the facts, anong gagawin mo? Attack the person, no? So ano yun? Yun ang ginawa nila. Sa palagay ko, weak sila sa facts, weak sila sa law. So ngayon, inaatake na nila yung credibility, character assassination ng witnesses. Now, just to your point, no, first, there are no cases pending against any of our three witnesses. And even if there were, assuming na meron nga, miski na merong pending cases, lalo na mga NBI yan, maraming mga galit siguro sa NBI, yung mga feeling aggrieved, magfa-file ng kaso, grave abuse, etc. And vetted po ang mga witnesses natin. We know their past, we know their capability, and we are assuring the public na hindi naman crime against moral turpitude. Sa batas natin, sa rules of court, even if you have a pending case, even if you're convicted, as long as it does not involve a crime involving moral turpitude. No, moral turpitude yung yung iyong reputation as a credible, na magnanakaw ka ba, nagsisinungaling ka ba, plunderer ka ba, etc., etc., no? Then that goes into moral turpitude because you have no respect for other people's money, you have no respect for accountability, etc., no? Wala namang ganon. So, parang palagay ko, out of place po yung manifestation na yan na hindi talaga credible ang witness, ang NBI witness, no? At ang background kasi niyan, inatake rin nila yung affidavit, no? Na hindi naman witness yung affidavit na inattach sa investigation report, open investigation report ni NBI director, no? And this witness, sinabi, I think, ni Senator Lacson, issued inconsistent statements, no? He was not cited for perjury, but he issued inconsistent statements. So, hindi naman pwedeng generalization na lahat ng witnesses na pinipresenta incredible, hindi mapapaniwalaan at hindi nagsasabi ng totoo. That I think was not a fair statement.